Conjunction. Conjunction is a part of speech that connects words, sentences, phrases, or clauses. Conjunctions are also known as joining words. Conjunctions list and, as, because, but, for, just as, or, neither, nor, not only, so, yet, wherever, whether, unless, before, until, after, while, unlike, besides, if, since, therefore, provided, despite. Here are some examples of conjunctions in sentences. It was cold, but the sun was shining. Here first sentence. It was cold. Second sentence, the sun was shining, but is used to join two ideas that are opposites. Let me know if you go to the school. If is used to show condition. The conjunctions are placed between the items they link together. We haven't finished the eating the watermelon yet. Yet shows contrast or joins opposites. As I was leaving, he arrived at the station. As used to introduce a comparison or reason. In this sentence, leaving and arrived, these words are correlated, working in pairs to join phrases, words that carry equal importance within a sentence. The cake is delicious, and it looks beautiful. The conjunction but connects two words. Here taste of the cake, and looks of the cake. He is very funny, whereas she is boring. Whereas is used to show contrast. Conjunctions are for connecting thoughts, actions, and ideas, as well as nouns, clauses, and other parts of speech. Before we can travel to Europe, we have to get passports. Before is a conjunction. Conjunction that joins words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. Despite all her faults, everybody likes him. Despite is used to introduce a fact that is in sharp contrast with another fact. Mary is completely unlike her mother. Unlike means different from, not similar to. In this sentence, conjunction unlike shows relationship between mother and daughter Mary. He can listen to music, provided he disturb nobody. Provided means if, or only if, a coordinating conjunction that joins two parts of a sentence. Unless you work hard, you cannot score good marks. Unless means except on the condition that a coordinating conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. After dinner we will watch a movie. After used to show a sequence in a time. When using conjunctions, make sure that all the parts of your sentences agree.